Hello, it's Melinda from Scrapbookingncraft. Just thought I would show you some more designs I have been busily loading on our website for this weekend. So from May 1st to May 4th, which is the Monday, these chipboard items are on special. We've got specials on our website from 15% off to about 35% off. All the discounts are showing on the website. So we've got stencils, we've got stamps, and we've got all these bits of chipboard. Chipboard's great. If you haven't used chipboard before, I think of it like a sticker that you place on your page, so it's a consumable. You just got to colour it before you put it on. So colouring it, what can we colour it with? We can colour it with acrylic paint, ink, embossing powder, basically anything you can put onto paper, you can put onto chipboard. Only a few exceptions. Watercolours don't work so best, and it's best sometimes if you are wanting a lighter colour, put a coat of gesso or white paint underneath the colour if you're wanting a lighter colour. You can just rub ink pads over the top of them. You can, as I said, acrylic paint, you can put waxes on them, you can put texture paste on them. Endless how you can decorate the pieces of chipboard. So I've got lots of words and frames and pieces you can cut up. And don't be afraid to actually cut up our chipboard. If you buy it and you decide that, oh, I maybe want to only use half of that sheet, or I want to use just a little bit of it sticking out beside my photo or my project, grab your scissors, chop it up. These pieces don't have to be used as one piece. I often cut up my pieces of chipboard because I just change my mind of what I want to do. A lot of the full circles or full hearts will often have half on a page. So we've got loads of different designs on the website for you to have a look at, and as I said, they will be on special until May 4th, possibly to the Tuesday until I can get and take them off the website, so you may get an extra special out of the day. And I'm also hoping to come on tomorrow with some videos, or over the weekend, over the 4 days, with some videos showing you how to use chipboard and showing off some projects that I have made with my chipboard as well. Just trying to get that organised in my day. So we had a fantastic start to our Great Australian Craft event, which is our virtual online event with Craftalive, and we've got the next 3 days to look forward to. I'm going to go and check out some of the other classes from the other exhibitors as well, because I never get a chance to do that when I am at a craft show. I'm usually busy at my stand. I should be busy at my computer packing orders. So we're nearly coming to the end of our chipboard pieces. In this short little video, I do have several more videos to come showing all the pieces I've loaded on the website. I thought this is a great way to just get a nice selection of the chipboard instead of clicking through every page on the website. We also do have a custom made service as well, so if you see a shape on the website but oh, it's a bit big, it's a bit small, I want to change it slightly, I want a shape that I don't even see on the website. Today I was asked for a dragon. I don't have dragons on my website yet, but I can make a dragon. I can make anything. It's only limited by my imagination and trademark laws and copyright laws. So as long as I stay away from trademarked items like Mickey Mouse ears and Winnie the Pooh figures and things like that, we're pretty good. And we don't have a minimum order on our website either, so you can order as little or as much as you like. Our postage on our website is $8. That's for a pizza box. That's because Australia Post are a bit mean. But unfortunately our website doesn't know if you're purchasing large 12-inch frames or small stuff. Certainly if we can post your order for less than $8, we do refund the difference as well. But I find some orders just need to travel in pizza boxes to make sure Australia Post are very nice to your parcel before you receive it. And just be patient. Australia Post are running a little behind with parcels. I've had to wait up to 2 weeks from parcels from Melbourne to my hometown, which is 2 hours up the road. So please do be patient in waiting for your parcels, and I'll endeavour to send everyone tracking numbers once I get them from Australia Post. Thank you very much, and can't wait to show you what we've got in store for tomorrow. Bye for now.